Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you trying to replace transmission filter, automatic transmission filter, fluid filter, or know where it's located on a Hyundai transmission that has been used on almost any Hyundai from year 2009 to currently year 2022. That same transmission with different horsepower and torque output has been used in almost any Hyundai, anything like Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Tucson Veloster, and many other Hyundais as well. Now, before we start, let me tell you just a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission, guys, at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. Many of you actually asked us about Hyundai transmission, automatic transmission, where is the oil filter? So there is no need to waste your time to show you step by step how to get to it. If you want to see how to get to the filter, we have a special video that's called transmission valve body, okay, removal replacement on Hyundai automatic transmission. And when you remove it, guys, okay, you need to remove the oil pan, drain transmission fluid, remove the valve body. And once you remove that valve body, if you look inside your transmission, this is where your filter, okay, transmission filter is located, that black thing. But now, bad news, guys, you cannot replace it. You can get to it, but you cannot replace it. You wonder why? Because there is two bolts that you cannot access unless you take the transmission completely apart, okay, separated right here, and then you will be able to reach to it. Okay, so practically you will have to take almost the whole transmission apart to rebuild it in order to get, guys, okay, to that filter. I will try to get to the bolts. Okay, let me zoom in there. You can see the bolts are on the inside. There is two bolts, I think, with an Allen wrench, one there, one on the other side. And if you look on the bottom of the transmission, there is no bolts where you can access anything. So practically, guys, you cannot replace that transmission filter. The only way to do that is, okay, by taking the transmission apart practically to rebuild it. Which, okay, at that point, if you're rebuilding it, you're going to replace it anyways. Now, what I recommend, always, okay, change your transmission fluid on time. Why? Because if you wait too much, okay, you can it can get really nasty, and it can start building, okay, contamination around the valve body. And if people say don't change transmission fluid, but because you can mess things up, that can only happen if you have really dirty transmission. You put new fluid, it will start cleaning and it can clog things up. But eventually, if you do, guys, a few transmission changes, 2-3 changes in a short period of time, that should take care of the problem. And always use transmission fluid designed for that transmission. Otherwise, you can experience hard shifting, slipping, guys, okay, having transmission problems, shudder, and that can be caused by the wrong type of fluid. Always use the original one. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.